Okay, what's up guys? How you guys doing? So today I'm gonna be filming, well, this is like my third video today, but in this video, as you can tell from the title, I'm just gonna do a little hair tutorial. So we're just gonna get right into it. This has been my absolute favorite brush like ever. It's like a wet brush. This is by the brand Cala. I really like this brand. I have a foundation brush by them somewhere, and I bought it when I was on a road trip with my husband and I completely forgot to pack my makeup, so I just needed to get like a few like necessities, and I stopped by Marshall's I think, and that's where I found it. I don't have it. I can't find it. I don't know where it is, but oh wait, yeah, it's right here. It's just this little wooden brush. It's also by Cala. That's how it's spelled, by the way. Cala. Anyway, I love this brush. Like, look how cute it is. I love it. It looks like a little leaf, and I love the, what do you call this? Like this. I know there's a word to describe like this, like speckled tan color. I know there's a word for it, and I cannot think of it. It's like flexible, and the bristles are very flexible. Anyways, it's just a hairbrush. Step one, brush our hair. I'm like spending 5 minutes talking about how much I love this brush, but I do. Okay. Oh wow, I should have plugged my curler in to heat up. I was waiting on my battery to charge, and I was exporting the previous footage for this makeup look. By the way, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, I'll put it up here, and I'll link it at the end of this video, so you can finish this video first, then watch that one. Just finish this video first and then watch that one. Some people say pause this, go watch that, and then come back to this, but why not just finish this? Why not just finish this and then go watch that video? I feel like it makes more sense. Anyway, I clearly need a new curling wand. I actually have two of these. This one is by Sutra. Don't know how it's pronounced. Here, have a look at it. Anyway, I literally, okay, so I have a New Me curling wand where it's like it's like the 4-in-1 wand, which this is also a 4-in-1 wand. You can like choose your sizes and put it in. And I have a New Me one which worked perfectly fine. Like, it curled my hair in seconds, but this one does too. It works really good. Anyways, I went to the mall. Okay, I need to plug this in and then I'll tell you guys my stories. Which size are we going for today? This one. No. I like the size of this one. Like, I like the bigger curls, but I feel like they don't hold as long. If I do like smaller, tighter curls, I feel like they'll fall down and look wavy. I wish my hair would hold with this size as long as it does with this size, but it doesn't. So we're just gonna do this one. This is probably like, I don't know. It's not an inch. Is it an inch? Maybe it's like 3/4 of an inch. I don't know. Anyways, let's let that heat up. Amazon Prime is here and my dogs are outside, so they better not bark or try to bite him because I need him to come back. I'm gonna wait for him to leave. He's gone. Oh my gosh, Kona is such a bully. He was like petting her from like inside the car so that he could come out, and then he does come out and then she starts barking. She is just a mood. She's bipolar. Anyway, let's just, I hope that's not annoying. I have my window open. I guess I could close it, but I just like to call the dogs. Did I? Thought I melted that. I like to call the dogs to make sure that they're staying in our property. All right. So I've been loving the Dry Bar products. I've had this since last Christmas. My husband got me like a set, Dry Bar set, which I do have a video on IGTV, and I tried out their whole collection. Let's go ahead and split my hair down the middle. What is this? Okay, that's volume, guys. That his volume. Just need it on this side. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the detangler. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So let's go ahead and spray some of this in our hair. I need to zoom you guys out a little more because you guys can only see half my hair. Ugh. That's not gonna bother you, is it? And now I'm just gonna brush this through my hair again. And then we're gonna be using the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. Oh, I'm such a bad YouTuber. Both these products smell really good, by the way. So now we're just gonna be grabbing, normally if I'm in a hurry, I don't section my hair off. But since this is a hair tutorial, we're gonna do it the right way. So I kind of just sectioned my hair into 4 pieces. I split it in half and then I split this half in half. You can start from the front or the back, either way, but I like to start from the back most of the time. I'm just gonna grab a pretty small section. Do I need to sit on my knees? And then I'm gonna curl away from my face, and I'm kind of letting the hair like twist as I'm wrapping it around the wand. I'm not like having it flat against the wand, you know what I mean? That way they don't look really like spirally and like tubey. You know what I mean? Those curls that like look like tubes, or like, I don't know. And then I let it go and I just hold it up to cool off a little bit in my hand. This process is what takes a long time. Okay, so you can interchange your curls going inwards and outwards, but I'm going to do them all outwards. Hold it for like 5 seconds and then drop. Oh wow, I literally never finished my story about the mall story about this curling wand. Anyways, I have one like identical to it. It's just by the brand New Me, and I went to the mall. I literally only needed to go to Victoria's Secret and out. It's the only place I needed to go to. But you know those like, what are they called? Those little like stands at the mall in the hallways? They got to me. They stopped me and they convinced me, and I spent $150 on this curling wand. Literally, I bet it was like the same week that I got it. My dog chewed the wire. So yeah, that's what happened. She doesn't really chew that much. She did in the beginning. I'm sure all puppies do, because I'm trying to train Lucy not to like bite shoes or anything like that. I feel like all puppies, I mean, they're just teething. They need something to chew on and they don't know any better. But Kona doesn't really have that problem. Like, she knows better. She probably chewed like 2 of my shoes that I can remember when she was younger. And she chewed the straightener, like the wire. And then I remember I bought a lamp. Literally the day I bought it, she chewed the cord in half. I have no patience to like hold it up, so I just hold it for a little bit and then I drop it. Either way, like I said, I like my curls to be a little more loose, which is why I go for a smaller wand, because I know it's gonna, like once it's cooling off, it's gonna start to fall a little. That's why I go for the smaller wand and I make tighter curls so that by the time it does fall, it's the way I want it. And I like to leave like 1 inch out, 1.5 inches maybe, because I don't like the ends of it to look too curly. And this is what you want with your hair. I'm kidding. I don't like when it looks like this. Coily. Is that the word? Or is that not the right word? To redo this one because it's a little off. The bangs is what I always struggle with the most. I'm using like the tiniest little mirror over here, by the way, so it's really hard to see like everything I'm doing. We'll get to things in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this here, and I'm gonna clip all my curled pieces out of the way and just continue doing what we're doing. I hate curling my hair, but I do it anyway. I like to, like, when it comes to this, like the beginning of it, I like to, instead of holding it so tight, I kind of loosen it so that it's just like a little more volumized while it's heating up. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense? Like if it's held really tight, it's gonna be like a really tight curl at the root. But if you loosen it a little bit and like, it just like, I don't know, looks a little less coily. Don't know still if that's the right word. Okay, now, so basically I grab it like this, and you want to put the curling wand on this side and wrap it, because if you go like this, it's gonna aim the wrong direction. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera. So I just did my last front curl. I gotta do my bangs, and I burnt myself. Can you guys see? Right there. It hurts. And I literally barely touched myself, so I turned my wand temperature down, because if I burn myself touching myself for like a few seconds, I can't imagine how damaging it is to my hair. This bang is a little more difficult because I have layers. It's hard to get them to stick. Okay, so you can just run your hands through your hair like this, but I'm just gonna flip my hair because I feel like it's just a lot easier. So it's gonna look super curly at first. The light is so bright. Alright, so this is what the curls look like right now. And they look pretty crazy, but they are gonna fall down within a few hours. So I'll just check back in with you guys and just add the footage to the end of this video. I mean, if you like these super big curly hair, which I don't think it's bad at all, but like I said, we're gonna wait for it to fall down a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of this detangler, just because I feel like when my hair is curly, it gets tangled a lot quicker. Alright, so I'll check back in a little while and show you guys the final results. Normally, when I get ready, I don't leave like right after I'm done with my hair anyway. I pick up my outfit and change and stuff, so by the time I'm ready to head out the door, it's gonna fall down a little. Ouch. Okay, this is dangerous. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after a couple hours. By tomorrow it's gonna fall even more, and then more the next day. So I like that, because then I can have curls the first day, waves the next day, and I don't have to do my hair every day. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!